Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the Magic Tells 3 application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the page. Here you can find the language button, and here you can select another language, for example French, German, Russian, Korean, Hindi and more, and just select one and click to the choose button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.